Most days, I'm like, get in the bath. You're like, okay, I'll just get in the bath. I'll just take off my clothes and I'll get in the bath. But tonight, you're like, no, not the bath. You're like, no way, I don't want to do that. I'm like, okay, I don't want to do battle with you. Can't you see? I'm not trying to be mean. It's just a part of my job to keep you healthy and clean. So I'll give you a choice. I'll give you the power to choose. Up to you. Want a bath or a shower? We can't see the germs, but I know that you got them. So we gotta get clean from the top to the bottom. Hair, wash your hair. Hair, wash your hair. Hair, wash your hair. Get suds everywhere when you wash your hair. Face, wash your face. Face, wash your face. Face, wash your face. Scrub every little place all over your face. Now it's time to wash your neck and behind your ears. Do a little check. Next from your shoulders down to your wrists, and then a spot you don't want to miss. It's your armpits, it's your armpits. It's the sweat and odor department. If you want a way to outsmart it, just lift up your arms and wash your armpits. Body yaddy yaddy, wash your body. Body yaddy yaddy, wash your body. Body yaddy yaddy, wash your body. It's a real bubble party when you wash your body. Private parts, wash your private parts. Private parts, wash your private parts. Private parts, wash your private parts. Be a real sweetheart, wash your private parts. Butt, wash your butt. Butt, wash your butt. Butt, wash your butt. Hey, guess what? You gotta wash that butt. Legs and feet, wash your legs and feet. Legs and feet, wash your legs and feet. Legs and feet, wash your legs and feet. Now you'll be complete, wash your legs and feet. Hey, you did it. You got yourself clean. You should be proud. You know what I mean? Get your PJs on, go to sleep, and then tomorrow we'll do it all again.
Discover new things as we learn and we play. We are safe here with Ptera. That's Ptera.
Shh,